Hey everybody, coming to you from AS Dining. My name is Andrew, I'm sous chef of the campus, and this is Cedar, one of my cooks. Today we're going to show you how to flip an egg or an omelet. And to do that, really easy. We get our beans, just practice, it could be raw beans. We put just enough to cover the bottom. Now at first this will be very difficult. You'll spill beans everywhere. It's all just practice. So you want to take it by the handle. You kind of want to give it just a flick. And it's going to feel weird at first. But at first you're going to be like this. Just getting beans everywhere. After a while, just practice, practice, practice.